You are standing in a forest, eating a granola bar. A deer freezes and stares. A squirrel has a full meltdown, just because you exist.
I have no claws, no venom, no speed. So why is every single animal running from me? The answer is stranger than you think.
Scientists ran a simple experiment. They played ordinary human conversation to wild animals. Mountain lions fled at twice the rate they fled from actual predators. Researchers gave us an official title, the super predator. We kill prey at rates up to 14 times higher than any natural predator. We even hunt apex predators. Our ancestors were persistence hunters. No claws, no fangs, just the ability to follow an animal for hours in heat until it collapsed from exhaustion. Animals that ran from us survived. Animals that did not, did not. That survival lesson got written into DNA across thousands of generations. Scientists call it the landscape of fear. Animals redesign their entire lives around the possibility of a human being nearby. Sleeping spots, water sources, when they move. Most predators follow patterns. A wolf hunts at dawn. A crocodile ambushes near water. Animals read these patterns to stay alive. But humans? There is no pattern to solve. Human scent is completely alien to nature. Researchers found that scent strips soaked in human sweat reduced animal activity the same as mountain lion urine. When Darwin arrived at the Galapagos, he was completely baffled. Birds did not move. Iguanas he pushed into the sea calmly swam back and sat right beside him again. In Antarctica, penguins walk directly toward researchers and try to steal their cameras. In protected marine reserves, fish actively swim toward humans. The conclusion is clear. The fear of humans is not factory installed. It is learned. And where humans stop being a threat, the fear dissolves completely. This is why city pigeons walk in front of buses, why raccoons stare at you eating your garbage. Their brain learned, this thing keeps showing up and nothing bad ever happens. Crows go even further. They recognize individual human faces, remember people who wronged them, and recruit other crows to harass those specific people for years. The fear itself reshapes entire ecosystems. Cougars exposed to human sounds stop acting like apex predators. They start acting like prey, eating less and moving differently. A 2018 study found mammals across 6 continents shifted toward nocturnal behavior, not from habitat loss, just because humans were present during the day. Mountain gorilla programs show that given consistent, non-threatening human presence, gorillas went from fleeing on sight to tolerating humans within just a few years. Rewilded areas show animals gradually recovering their natural behavior. Daytime activity returns. Open area use returns. The hypervigilant behavior of hunted populations slowly relaxes. The squirrel's crisis was never dramatic. It was running a survival program thousands of years old. The landscape of fear is not permanent. It is a reflection of behavior, and behavior can always change.